You can use a computer or mobile device to access files and applications on another computer over the internet with Chrome Remote Desktop. It requires Google account. On your computer, open Chrome. In the address bar, enter remotedesktop.google.com. Under Setup Remote Access, click Download. Follow the on-screen directions to download and install Chrome Remote Desktop. Click the button to add the extension. As you can see here, Chrome Remote Desktop extension is downloading. Here, as you can see, Chrome Remote Desktop extension has been added to Chrome. Accept the conditions and start the installation. Click on the button to proceed further. You need to enter the device name to be visible to the remote users while accessing the host device. Post entering the device name, you need to enter the 6-digit PIN to make remote access more secure and prevent unauthorized access to others. Start the application. Once clicked on the Start button, the host device is ready to make or accept remote connections. Now, as you can see here, this device is now online. Next, you might be wondering how to connect to this system remotely. Here you go. This is my another computer, which is PC2. Now to access a computer remotely, open Chrome. This time without installing Google Remote Desktop, make use of Google Remote Desktop. Please note, you will need to be signed into Chrome, using the same Google account you used on the host system, but you won't need any particular apps or extensions installed. You will just see your computer's name appear, and you can click on it to start the connection. In the address bar at the top, enter remotedesktop.google.com, and press enter. Here, as you can see, host computer's name appears, which is now online, and you can click on it to start the connection, after tapping in your PIN. If you want, you can click on the Stop Sharing the Desktop button. You can use the computer as if you were sitting in front of it. You can move around your screen, click and run anything you want. A panel at the side of the screen will provide options for adjusting the display. To stop a remote session, when you're finished, close your tab to stop your session. You can also select options and then disconnect. If you want to remove a computer from your remote devices list, next to the computer you want to remove, click Disable Remote Connections to remove. Next, on the computer you want to be accessed remotely, start by going to the Support section of Google's Remote Desktop web app. Click the circular blue arrow within the box labeled Remote Support. Then click Add to Chrome in the box that appears and confirm you want to install the Chrome Remote Desktop Companion extension. If you don't see the blue arrow, the extension is already installed. Here, as you can see that Chrome Remote Desktop is now installed, click Generate Code to share your computer. Here, as you can see that Chrome Remote Desktop is now installed, click Generate Code to share your computer with a one-time access code. Share this screen to let someone else access this computer, then share the code with the person you want to allow access. They will be able to see your screen and control your keyboard and mouse. Connect to the computer from another desktop. Once you have the access code, and are ready to connect. In the remote support, scroll down the page, find Connect to another computer, and enter the access code, then click the Connect button to begin. That's it for this video and thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Consider showing your support by like, share and subscribe to this video with your friends, and watching more interesting tech videos on my channel. Also, stay tuned for more new videos coming this week on my channel. See you soon.